Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy spring. I'm so excited. I hate winter so bad. Today I wanted to go over, do a flip through of um, my fantasy journal. Now what I've done, as you'll see as we go through it, is I decided to make this a sort of a little bit useful. I've put in recipes, I've put in some inspirational quotes, I put in a poem, and lots of writing pages. So yeah, so here's my cover. And also what I'm going to do is put links in the description of the different techniques I use to create this book. So the cover was made, initially it was made with faux leather. I have a video on that. And then I created this hot wax tree, another video. And as I said, I will put these techniques in the links in the description. So here we go. So my first couple of pages are some images. And this of a crow. And what I decided to do, I had some feathers, so I added the feathers to my crow. Now here we have an inspirational quote from Dr. Seuss. If you have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who will decide where to go. Okay, now this booklet I decided to use for recipes. So any small recipe that you can get onto the pages of this book will work. And that's handy because you can just take the book out and follow the recipe. Some images. Another link, how to make ephemera out of tracing paper. And here's a little envelope. You put anything you choose inside. I decorated it with a bit of lace, a key to hold the flap down. And you'll see that I have this pretty, I don't know what you call this. I mean, it's lace, but it's a whole stream of lace. Anyway, very pretty. Looks nice on here, I thought. Some images. This was on gel printed paper, so prints that I made, and then I put it through the photocopier to put an image on top of the gel print. Another recipe. Now this is not a recipe actually, this is a spice guide. We can all use that. I know lots of spices, and some of them I don't know what they're used for. So another inspiration. Life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. George Bernard Shaw. I love her. She's just the coolest looking fairy. Gel print. Another recipe. Another gel print. Again with the feathers. I was going to use this as a pocket, but it was a little too wide and I didn't want to cut it up, so I just laid it down this way on my book. Then some writing pages. I tried to leave a fair amount of writing pages for those that like to actually journal in their journals. Again, another hot wax creation. Some jelly printed paper on tissue. This was from, oh, this was a digital I downloaded from Artie Mays. More recipes. Measurements and weights. Vegetable timetable, the approximate time it takes to cook these vegetables. A little bit of lace down here. Another writing page. Another recipe. Jelly print. I love doing jelly prints. They're so much fun. Another writing page here. Some script, some Celtic script. a verse from Shakespeare about fairies. Again from Artie Mays. Now this is a booklet, and I decided to make this booklet on desserts. And a few of my favorite desserts in here. As you can see, I don't like doing anything too complicated. They're pretty small recipes. Some writing page. A wonderful wizard. Some more writing page. Household hints. And then my last pages. I just think that's cool. And you can never get a cup of tea large enough or a book long enough to suit me. That's C.S. Lewis. And I'm an avid reader, so yeah. And that's what the faux cover looks like. Faux leather cover, when you don't cover it over with hot wax glue tree like this. And I love the tassels here. I just think it just adds that much more. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick flip through. And as I said, I will put links in the description for all the techniques that I use. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet, today'd be a great day to do that. Happy first day of spring for those of us on this side of the pond. I'm in eastern Canada, on the east coast of Canada, so I'm very excited about spring. Yeah, so, and if you have subscribed, don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. So I'll leave you there, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye for now.